The opening of the 17th anniversary workshop by the Nigeria Correctional Service is to boost the productivity of the Correctional Welfare Insurance Scheme and to stress the need for members of the organization to imbibe the habit of saving for the rainy day. In a welcome address, the Secretary of the scheme, Chief Superintendent of Corrections, Hannatu Zubairu, disclosed that the scheme is a preparatory ground for the reality of retirement life, which should be embraced by any workforce.
As a welfare insurance scheme, we have for the past few years focused on preparing personnel for the reality of retired life, which we strongly believe, if secured, will be a great source of motivation to any workforce through service years.
Christened, making retirement a happier experience, the Correctional Welfare Insurance Scheme approach. The Controller General of Corrections, Haliru Nababa, says the scheme was to boost the economic viability of all officers and men, thereby optimizing efficient service delivery.
We attach a lot of importance to this annual series workshop for obvious reasons. First and foremost, the welfare of our serving, retired and deceased personnel, alongside members of their families, remain paramount in our policy thrust. In the same vein, the workshop offers the service a unique early opportunity to take stock of the operations of the scheme and evolve new ideas as well as strategies that will make it better and in tune with current economic realities.
The former Controller General of Corrections, Jafaru Ahmed, urged personnel of the organization to add values to their own lives even after retirement. These, he observed, can be made possible by saving now.
It is safer when they give it to the welfare insurance scheme in terms of deductions, because they will receive it at the end of their service period. And it will also increase their medical welfare, because that's what it means.
The occasion witnessed awards presentation to some members of the organization, including the past and present Controllers General of the organization. Organic Victor, ITV News.